Hi there, thanks for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and attempt to play an oboe from eBay that costs under $100. To those who don't know me, hi, I'm Ron, and I post oboe videos every week. I'd like to encourage you to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more oboe content and so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'm also on Instagram at oboeron. This video is generously sponsored by Keith Storles, who's the oboe professor at West Kentucky University. You can connect with him on Instagram at Keith Oboe. We have collaborated a few times and he is a brilliant guy. I'll also include his website in the description below. So this all started out months ago when I asked you guys for video suggestions on my Instagram story. Keith sent the suggestion of trying to play the Mozart Oboe Concerto on an eBay oboe with a strict budget limit of $100. I was so in. Keith spent a while hunting down this oboe. It was listed on eBay for $100 and Keith sent an offer for $75, which was accepted. Keith is also an accomplished repair tech, so he was able to do some work on it, including taking it apart and cleaning it, replacing a pad, and adding a trill key lever that was missing. Other than that, I know pretty much nothing about this oboe, so let's open this package. God, it has so much padding in it. Oh my god, he sent me some thread. Thank you for this. Thank you, Keith. Oh my god. Well, I have a beautiful letter. Oh my god, look at this case, you guys. Oh my god, this is something special. Like, look at this. It's like antique. The handle's like actually like not on the case anymore. It's like just completely falling apart. There's like definitely lots of like great little scratches. Wow, this looks like from just like another era. Alright, it's time to open this up. I don't know what it's gonna be. Okay. Alright. So he's covered this up with like some paper. So I can't see the full oboe, but I can see the bell. And the bell is so little. It is a René Lamotte oboe made in Paris. Amazing. Okay, let's look at this joint first. Woo! There she goes. Alright, so it has some like open tone holes. The metal is like super like rusted and a little grody. This is like ancient. Okay, let's look at the top joint. Amazing. Yeah, so it has like a couple more open tone holes. Not very standard on today's kind of setup. All right, let's put it together and see what happens. It's a little bit cold right now, so I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit. I love this like tiny, tiny bell. Like, look at this thing. Okay, so just as a comparison, I'll actually show you the difference between my bell and this bell. I just think it's hilarious. It's like so small. It's like 3/4 of the size, a little mini bell. The whole oboe feels like very light. Like, I think this will be fun to play. Oh my god, this rod is so crooked. I've never seen anything like it. Amazing. Okay, let's try to play it. Okay, so I have my reed and I have the oboe. All right, here goes nothing. Okay, you know what? This oboe is not terrible. Yeah, it's super weird. I have to like really press down on the ring when I play the C, and it's like you kind of can't half press it. It's a little bit resistant. This is so good. Holy. Okay, for Keith, here's the Mozart Concerto. Yeah, I think the hard thing for me is like really getting this closed for the C, because otherwise the C is kind of flat. Oh, there's no left F. I'm like literally putting my finger down there, and there is no left F there. It's definitely throwing me for a loop. There's a lot that I like about it though. Yeah, I think it's like it's so light, which makes it like really easy to play. Well, maybe play like all the way up to G sharp. G is definitely what I'm struggling with. I wonder why that is. I think like I'm so used to curling this finger in a way that's not so conducive to playing this ring oboe. Wow, I had so much fun playing on this thing. I'm gonna like mess around with this over the next few days because I'm a bit obsessed. Alright, so I read this letter that Keith sent, so I thought I'd make a little addendum to this video and just kind of talk a little bit about his experience, which I didn't know. The oboe was completely not playable when Keith received it. He says, as purchased, the oboe was completely unplayable. I tried. Obviously, the lesson here is that a $75 oboe is exactly what you think it is. I resolved to make the thing playable. So he really spent a lot of time basically overhauling this instrument to make it play as well as you heard it today. So really this is more of a testament to Keith's amazing ability to adjust and restore oboes more than anything about like the fact that you potentially could find an oboe for $75 that you could actually learn how to play on. So I really want to dissuade you, because probably if you try to buy a $100 oboe or even a $200 oboe, you're probably not going to get something that is anywhere near as good as what I had the pleasure of playing on today. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope this was entertaining for you. Good luck on your oboe journey. Please do let me know in the comments if there's anything you want me to cover in a future video. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button below. It is much appreciated. Additionally, if you are on Instagram, please find me there at oboron, where I post daily tips, tricks, and practice videos. Thanks so much and have a great day.